Hi everyone, welcome to the subscribed series AI for Beginners. In this series, we're going to introduce and explore a few very basic AI tools that can help anyone boost their productivity a bit. Today, we're going to start with part one, which covers the ultimate basics. Those are ChatGPT, its alternatives, and a bit around how to use them. So let's get started. ChatGPT is a pretty basic large language model. You can use it to get some inspiration, ideation, ask it some pretty basic questions about common knowledge. I have also used it to create content, to uh, find mistakes in code. It can do surprisingly much. Yeah, however, you should never really trust everything that it says to you because it's not always that accurate. So make sure to double check the information it gives to you if you're asking it about something quite specific. Here you can see that I have given it a few prompts. I have used it to create some social media content. It's pretty good actually with that, but I'm still never really completely satisfied with it. I like to fine tune these a bit. But I would say that with slightly better prompts, you could actually create pretty good ones, even just with ChatGPT. If you're struggling with creating effective prompts, I would advise to check some tips or some tutorials from YouTube or somewhere else that actually helps a lot with this and makes a huge difference. Next, I'm going to introduce you Claude AI. Claude works very similarly to ChatGPT. You also just tell it to do what you want, and it replies to you with the answer. What I like about Claude is that you can also upload some document or an image to it, and it is able to analyze it. That's also available in ChatGPT, but not in the free version of it. And in Claude, you can also do that with the free one. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, here you can see that I've given it this CSV document about just some fruits and berries that have been listed, and then I've asked it to calculate the amount of oranges, and that's actually the correct answer. So yay, a pretty simple task, but I'm pretty sure it does also more complex ones. Next up, we have Gemini. Gemini has been developed by Google and works again very similarly. Um, Small difference in the free version is that you can also use their microphone to tell it what you want or give it some material. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And again, you can upload an image. As you see, I have given it a nice image from one of my holidays and have asked it to do Instagram caption for it. So yeah, I could definitely improve these prompts quite a lot, but yeah, just giving these now as an example. I mean, for example, I could like give it the length and the style and stuff like that. And last but not least, Perplexity. Perplexity is more for accurate information. So not necessarily for like content creation, but yeah. Here you can actually change its focus. You can like even find academic papers with it or use it to compute things. It's pretty cool, much more accurate with stuff like this. Let me choose academic and just some example question. Yeah, and you see what I like about it is that it also gives you the sources so you can check the information it tells you. The other ones don't really tell you. So, in case you want to use AI to find some information or ideate a bit like on a more specific level, I would definitely recommend using Perplexity for that. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It shows me where it uses these sources and everything. Yeah. Okay. Well, this was it. I hope you got some good tips from here. If you're now wondering which tool you should use, I would advise you to test them all. Maybe think first about like what is your use case? What do you want to use these tools for? What in your own work is something that could be automated? Is there something that maybe doesn't require so much creativity or that just like is very basic? And yeah, then just try them out and search for more information if you feel like you need. But I think this is a pretty good start, even for a person who has never used these tools before. All right, thank you so much. I'll see you guys in the next part.